Hi, hope everyone are doing good. I'm really sorry I couldn't show you my face, but however, I would surely try to add value to this video. Well, are you planning to take the Duolingo test and want a score above 120? Well, then this is the only video you need. In the next 15 minutes, I will walk you through the exact format, scoring system, hidden rules, and proven strategies that top scorers use. Stay till the end because I will also give you a 7-day fast track plan to crack this test. The Duolingo English Test, also known as DET, is a modern AI based English proficiency exam. Unlike traditional exams, this one is completely online. You can take it from your home. The most powerful feature is that it's adaptive. That means the difficulty of questions changes based on your answers. Over 4,500 universities worldwide accept this test, making it one of the fastest growing alternatives to IELTS and TOEFL. Why are students switching to DET? Simple. It's an affordable, just $65 compared to over 200 for other tests. The entire test takes only 1 hour and you get your results within 48 hours. And here is the best part. You can send score to unlimited universities for free, no extra cost. Before you take the test, make sure you meet all requirements. You need a valid passport or ID, a laptop with a working camera and microphone, and a stable internet connection, of course. Headphones are strictly not allowed. Also, you must be alone in a quiet, well lit room. Even a small violation here can invalidate your test. The test is divided into three parts. First, a 5-minute setup where your ID and system are checked. Then comes the 45-minute adaptive section. That's where your score is decided. Finally, a 10-minute interview section where you speak and write. Even though this part is ungraded, universities will see it. Here is how the adaptive system works. If you answer correctly, the next question becomes harder. If you answer wrong, it becomes easier. This means every single question matters. Never skip a question. Even if you're unsure, make an educated guess. Leaving it blank can hurt your score more, so mind that. In the literacy and comprehensive section, you will face tasks like reading and completing words, selecting real English words, listening and typing sentences, and interactive reading passages. Accuracy is key here, especially spelling and grammar. For speaking and writing, you will be asked to describe images, speak on a topic, and respond to prompts. Many students overthink this part. Don't. Focus on clarity and fluency. Simple, correct answers, sentences are always better than complex mistakes. The final section is your video interview and writing sample. Even though it's not scored, universities will watch it. This is your chance to make a strong impression. Speak confidently and structure your thoughts clearly. The DET score ranges from 10 to 160, 160. A score of 120 or above is considered excellent and is equivalent to IELTS 7.5 or TOEFL 100. This is the target you should aim for if you are applying to top universities. Now, the most important part, rules. If you look away from the screen, use headphones, or someone enters the room, your test can be cancelled immediately. You are also not allowed to take notes. Many students lose their attempt because of these mistakes. Don't be one of them. Here are some secret tips from high scorers. Use simple and clear sentences. Avoid long pauses while speaking. Improve your typing speed. And most importantly, practice speaking daily by recording yourself. This builds confidence and fluency. If you are short on time, follow this 7-day plan. Spend the first 2 days understanding the format and basics. Next 2 days, practice with mock tests. Then focus on your weak areas for 2 days. On the final day, take a full test simulation. This strategy is enough to push your score above 120 if done correctly. If you're serious about studying abroad, don't delay. Start preparing today. The Duolingo English Test is one of the fastest ways to prove your English proficiency. Practice daily, stay confident, and trust yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad and visa tips. See you in the next video. Cheers and take care.